Okay, what we have here is an unboxing of an item I've been waiting to get in. I'm pretty sure this is it. Break this tape here. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, I got some paper. Wow, we got some cereal box. That's a good way to recycle. They really did not skimp on packing. Oh yeah. It looks like this is a new crank set. Word for the bike. Sorry about the camera. I did all this out, but I don't have a computer that is working right now well enough to edit with, so. Looks like I got these two pieces here. And the shipper has said no plastic or cardboard in order to keep this thing from getting wet. Although it's a bike, or damage is a bike crank set, so it's probably pretty tough. Just gonna guess that. And I've got the square taper set up. Kind of wish I had a 30mm set up. Oh, there's grease in there. They pre-grease that. How nice of them. So yeah, it's a Suntour. No affiliation with the brand. It's just what I could afford. Looks like a decent replacement. The top chain ring's a little smaller than I thought it was gonna be, and the small one is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. So this may not work out too well. I bought this because it was in my price range, and my gears are just pretty much shot on my lower two chain rings. I use my top gear somewhat because of the hills I have around here, so this top gear is about what my mid gear was. And I'll do an install. I like the arms on it though. These look like nice, very heavy duty arms. Let's compare this crank here to my other crank. So here is my other crank setup. It does look quite a bit bigger. The arms are about the same.